Yes, lovely.
Why do you game developers do this? Like, seriously? In this modern world, in this modern age, and yet you go complaining that your game is not selling? Yet you are guilty of what I'm about to share right now? Okay, let me get to the gist of my story. So, on one video, I mentioned that anyone who had made their game and wanted me to market it on my channel for free to come along, feel free. I'll market that game for free on my channel. And two developers came. One came while I was having coffee at one cafe, and he was like, Pindeni, I'm seeing your YouTube channel. Please do market my game, and maybe your audience may give me some criticism on it, and that will be helpful. And I was like, fine, where is the game? And he was like, in this flash, a memory stick. Like, seriously? And he said, please plug it in your computer so that I give you. And I was like seriously? What are you trying to plant on my computer? And then the other one contacted me via email, and then I received an email in my inbox. I opened, Pindeni, I'm seeing your channel, lovely. Please do market my game. And I was like, okay, where is your game? It's on the link below, some random website I don't even know. And I was like, do you really want me to click that? Like, why don't we game developers use trusted platforms to share our demos? It affects our sales. It affects our potential players. Like, a certain percentage of our market or game players, they are afraid of malware, malicious software, and they are afraid of being hacked. So why don't we just use trusted platforms to share our games so that everyone feels comfortable? And one may ask, how does that affect me? I'm sharing my links and everything is going fine. It does, because some people don't even get to play your demos. Like that link you send, which we don't trust, we don't click it. We'll just look at it and be like, really, you want me to click that? In this modern world, really, people are getting scammed, people are getting hacked, people are getting malicious software installed in their computers, and you are just sending your demo on some random website. Ladies and gentlemen, my point in this video, we want to make games that sell. I passionately want to see the indie game industry succeed, and I want to see your game get sales. I want to see you make money. Why don't we use trusted sites, trusted platforms that have virus scanners, malicious software scanners, some security features installed on them to distribute our demos? We want all our players to see our demos. That's the point, ladies and gentlemen. That's the reason why I got my camera and my computer so that I make this content. I was so heartbroken. Like, many people don't even get to click our demo. Many people don't even get to click our demo. So please use trusted platforms, use trusted sites. That's my point of this video. We want to make games that sell. And I'm going to be doing this so that each time I find a problem, I'm going to share it here so that many game devs get some help and some insight into some things I see which are erroneous. Thank you very much for watching. If you are new, please consider subscribing to my channel, liking and sharing my videos. Remember, use trusted platforms to share your demos. It helps.